Good evening, all students of HS second year. This is the first chapter of history related to Harappan civilization, the civilization that glorifies the history of India because prior to the advent of this civilization, people of the world believes that we are the later civilized people of the world. Prior to that, people believed that the Mesopotamian civilization or Babylonian civilization were the two civilizations, as well as Egyptian civilization were the civilizations that come first in the world. Prior to that, we the Indians feel that we are uncivilized till the advent of Harappan civilization by renowned archaeologists of that age, R.D. Banerjee, Dayaram Shahani and others. The world people believed that Babylonian people were the first civilized people or the Egyptian people were the first civilized people, but when this civilization advanced or discovered by the archaeologists, the pride of us gradually come in front of the world history. We now feel proud that we are the first civilized people in the world. Earlier, we believe that the Egyptian people were the first civilized people or Babylonian people were the first civilized people. But with the advent of that Indus Valley civilization in 1921 by R.D. Banerjee and Dayaram Shahani, it believes that we are the first civilized people in the world. What we think today or India thinks today, the whole world thinks it tomorrow. This proverb comes true. The topic relates to bricks, beads and bones. All these three things related to Harappan civilization. Harappan people or Harappan civilization is also known as Indus Valley civilization. It is also called Bronze Age civilization. The most significant features of this civilization was that the people of that time, they do not know the use of iron. Remember it. The use of iron was one of the most vital thing which was absent during Harappan civilization. Another thing, that is use of horse. The Harappan people do not know the use of horse. Therefore, except these two things, they know all these things as modern people enjoying their lives. You can imagine that the age of this civilization was 2600 BCE to 1900 BCE, that is 1900 BCE. During that time, the people of India, what they thought prior to 5000 years, now think the people of India in a scientific age. They live in systematic manner. Their houses were made of bricks. Their houses were well constructed. They believe in agriculture. Their main cultivation was agriculture. The agriculture occupation of them was the prime occupation. The major sites of this civilization were Afghanistan, Jammu, Baluchistan and Gujarat. Except this, there are some other regions also. Kalibangan in Gujarat. You can get many other sites where this civilization developed. The people of this age is also well acquainted about animal rearing. Their main occupation was agriculture. The archaeologists of different renowned areas, they came in India, searched for the truth, and finally find out this civilization, that is Harappan civilization. This civilization is also called Harappan culture. Archaeologists used the term culture for a group of objects which is distinct in style that are usually found together within a specific geographical area and period of time. Therefore, this culture provides us a significant data about the early people of India. The civilization can be divided into two parts, that is early Harappan age and later Harappan age. In early Harappan age, you will find the small huts or houses where there is no citadels. In later Harappan age, you will find the development of citadels. So, with this, we can say that Harappan civilization was one of the mature civilizations of that time, which proves us the glory of India. The civilization, when it began, the main occupations of them, which I already told, that was animal rearing or agriculture. The main crops they cultivated were wheat, barley, lentil, chickpea, and sesame. All these food items they cultivated. Millets, sesame, chickpea, barley, etc. are found in Gujarat. Sometimes we will find the cultivation of rice there in Gujarat. Archaeologists found in Harappan sites some cattle like bones of some cattle like sheep, goat, buffalo, and pig. This shows that the main occupation that relates to animal rearing they use cattle like sheep, goat, buffalo, and pig. Before that, regarding archaeology, we can say that the first archaeological director General of Archaeological Survey was Alexander Cunningham, who is called the father of Indian archaeology. Because if we do not know about archaeology, then we cannot understand about the civilization, as civilization of discovery of each and every civilization relates to an archaeologist. Therefore, we can say that the father of Indian archaeology is Alexander Cunningham. Why this civilization is called Harappan civilization? This civilization is called Harappan civilization because the site of this civilization first discovered in the site Harappa. That's why this civilization is known as Harappan civilization. The discovery of this civilization or the fame of the discovery of this civilization relates to the one of the renowned archaeologist Rakhal Das Banerjee, who discovered this civilization in 1921-22 by his excavations at Mohenjo-daro. Archaeologists, through their research, got different informations regarding the civilization. The salient features of this civilization are, first one is agricultural technologies. What agricultural technologies did the people of Harappan are using? While we can discuss about the agricultural techniques, we can say that they used the traditional system of cultivation, that is cattle for cultivation. Representation of different seals and terracotta sculpture indicates the use of bull by the Harappan people. They used traditional method of cultivation. The sites that indicated us that the people of Harappa were using the traditional methods of cultivation were Banwali and Gujarat. If we go to the early history of Gujarat and Banwali, we will find the development of Harappan civilization there, and the people of that region cultivated lands through bulls or ox. Archaeologists have also tried to find out the tools used for harvesting. Did the Harappans used stone blades set in wooden handles? Did they use metal tools? Regarding that, most of the Harappan people are using stone blades for cutting paddies or grains. Most of the lands are located in semi-arid lands where irrigations were common. Traces of canals have been found also in Harappan sites. They draw water from wells used for irrigations. They also sometimes stored water for agriculture. Now we can understand the use of agricultural techniques that is followed by the people of Harappa during the age 2600 BCE to 1900 BCE. Up to that, today's discussion is complete. However, at the end position, I want to raise two questions in front of the students that you have to go through these two questions that mention the oldest civilization of the world. Second question, write the agricultural technologies about Harappan people. Write the use of agricultural technologies that is used by Harappan people. Thank you, everybody.